How to fix Huawei mobile phone camera crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then again click on apps. And here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera. And here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and then clear your cache memory. After clear your cache memory, then go back to your home page and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last. Here you can see the option system and updates. Now click on system and updates and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.